Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Marketo access in users using admin roles, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify Marketo access in users using admin roles, start by logging into your Marketo account. Once logged in, navigate to the admin section on the left-hand sidebar. In the admin section, select the Users and Roles tab. Here, you will see a list of all users currently in your Marketo instance. To check the access level of a specific user, click on the user's name. This will open the user's profile, where you can view their assigned role. Roles dictate the level of access each user has within Marketo. To see a list of available roles, click on the Roles tab at the top of the page. You can review the permissions associated with each role in this list. If you need to create a new role, click on the New Role button. Fill in the necessary details, like the role name and permissions. Once completed, save your new role. To assign the role to a user, return to the Users tab. Select the user you wish to modify and click on their profile. Then click the Edit button to change their role. Choose the new role from the drop-down menu and save your changes. To ensure everything is set up correctly, it's a good practice to log out and then log back in. This confirms that the new role and permissions are functioning as expected. Finally, regularly review your user list to maintain proper access control. This helps ensure security and effective user management in your Marketo environment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.